You know, friend, a chicken crossing the road is poultry in motion. Okay, that's a new one. I'll give you that.
Got to keep the material fresh, just like our herbs.
Do you think we need more pepper? A good pinch. Trust your nose, son. Now, the juice. Why did the baker have brown hands, KL?
I don't know, Dad. Why?
Because he needed a poo. This is gonna be good.
Whoa! Whop.
A meal's not complete without a proper brew to wash it down. And dinner is served.
So the baker, did he wash his hands after?
Of course. He's a professional.
So fresh.
Yeah, do you want to came here again?
Oh, yes, of course. He's a professional.
Wow, run. It raining? Oh yeah, raining. Of course. He's a professional.
Is this elusive creature fact or folklore? For centuries, whispers of a giant, ape-like
Hot coffee. Get up, sleepyhead.
Çe olur da hani. Dava da hani. İzliğimdir, akari. You're ridiculous.
So cool. Be careful, don't fall into something again.
That's not even close. Nobody eats trail mix out of a raccoon skull anymore.
Nah, they got the